Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I got here, it's long, it's just very shrinkage. Gotta get my ends clipped. This is the wet side, this is the wet part I gotta blow dry. This is the dry part. All I did was stretch it and put the blow dry on. So this is my hair and this blow dry state. This is how I blow dried it. Here's my chest, y'all. Breastfeeding mom. So you see me blow drying my hair right now. All I'm doing is stretching it out and blow drying it. Sometimes I need hotter heat because my hair take a long time to dry. So all I'm doing is just stretching it and putting a blow dry on it. I already detangled it before recording this video. So that's all I'm doing, just to have my hair dry. My hair needed a bad wash. My hair was like, Brittany, wash me. So that's what I did.
I just can't find a note. If I die today, I pray to Jesus Christ. I can't take this shit no more. I need something to replace it. My life is on the floor and lately I just cannot take it.
Right now you see me about to detangle it from the bottom up.
This be the last day I live for safe.
And voila. This is my hair in its natural texture. Well, in its blow dry state. My hair has gotten so long. Oh my god, look at it. Yes. I can say I haven't blow dried my hair in over a year. No heat, no problems. No heat, no problems. I wash my hair with this product. This is what I wash my hair with. This is the leave-in I use for my hair for this blow dry. This leave-in is really good. I love this leave-in. I love it so much. And I use the mixture of oils. This is my cabinet. I got olive oil, Dr. Miracle Growth oil, argan oil, majestic oil, rapeseed oil, black castor oil. Oh yeah, coconut oil right there with the white top. It's a photo shoot. Hey. These are my results. Y'all have a nice day.
Something to replace it. My life is on the floor and lately I just cannot take it. I need the Lord to pick me up because I'm